Hey, I'm Daniel Maddern. I'm the Chief Technology Officer here at MetaEarth. If you've spent any time in Web3, you've probably heard of the big promises: decentralization, user ownership, and real digital freedom. The truth is, most blockchains today still work like Web2, just with token value. That's what we're trying to change here at MetaEarth. We're building a modular blockchain ecosystem designed for more than just apps. We want to give people the tools to build entire digital societies, places where identity, value, and data are actually in your control. The way we do that is by breaking the system down into layers. Instead of one chain doing everything, MetaEarth separates execution, consensus, data, and identity. So you get better performance, more flexibility, and fewer trade-offs. If you're a builder, that means you can launch your own rollup as your own entire chain without dealing with all the heavy infrastructure. If you're a user, you get a consistent, secure experience across all apps, all connected through MeID and MePass. It's fast, it's open, and it's built to scale with real-world adoption in mind. And this is just a start, but we've got a strong technical team, a working product, and a very clear purpose. That's MetaEarth, and I can't wait to show you what comes next.